SE 2009 Smart Inverter Generator. Refuse mediocrity, more than just a fantasy. Fuel, gasoline. Pure sine. Max output 2000 watts. AC output 110 to 240 volts. 50-60 Hz. DC output USB plus 12 volts battery charging. The generator set can be put down without fuel and oil leakage. No one else can do it, only our project. It makes the transport safer. Balance Master. The most portable genset. You will experience zero gravity when you move it. Gen mate inside. You can monitor and control the genset by smartphone. Unlimited power, all in your hand. Drivelong.